Sight words. Let's look carefully, say the words out loud, and read along together. Are you ready? Say, I am ready to read. Great. Let's go. Repeat after me. I see the is on in my sight word story. I see a cat. The cat is on the mat. The cat is in the box. The cat is my pet.